Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. And we're finally here, guys. My Chanel birthday unboxing. And I don't know, like, this is just not like an annual thing, but I've got something today to unbox for my birthday, especially. They are both pre-loved, but I got a good deal out of these two items. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, share my excitement. And I've purchased these two items probably about 4 months ago, 5 months ago, and I really restrained myself of not using them. But yeah, I also did not want to look like I'm overspending, but I actually am. Yeah, I just don't want that. I just don't like everyone to see like it's okay to overspend. And also, while doing this, I was able to sell some of my bags and put towards these two items here. So, I'm rotating the money that I already have. And yeah, I'm still letting go of some bags. So I'm quite glad that I'm actually had paid off these two items out of the items that I have sold from my closet, which is fantastic. So yeah, just want to explain myself, and this is not like frivolously doing it, shopping Chanel. So the first item, if you can tell from the box, this is a pair of shoe. I I really wanted a Chanel loafers or a pair of shoe. I have looked at Pinterest. I literally just go through Pinterest photos of street style photos, and I came across this specific pair of shoes which I did not think that I would ever come across. So let's open it up. And this one was from eBay. So yeah, I think it was from London or the UK. So I was surprised. I put an offer in, a sneaky offer. I did not think that they would accept it, but they did. So yeah, I think it's missing a dust bag. I normally see like shoes being into dust bags, so this one only came with one. And it's actually brand new. So here it is, you guys. I might, I don't know if I can still, because all the photos I have on my phone is gone forever. I don't have an iCloud, so, and yeah, FYI guys, I lost my phone at Changi, Singapore airport on my way back here. So yeah, I'm done. I am just grateful that I am here and safe, okay? So this is, it's stunning. It's stunning. You look at it. Just gonna go. Yeah. So as you can see, it's got different sort of leather. It's got patent over here, and this feels like lambskin to me, but isn't it just so stunning? And look at that interwoven chain and leather over there. Chef's kiss. And look at the back, honey. Look at the back. Oh my god. OMG. And it's got some substantial heel over there. Glorious. Glorious. And this would look perfect on this outfit, doesn't it? I can just see it. Right? Okay. It's so stunning, and I can't even remember, but I don't know, I just couldn't remember the price because it was quite a long time ago. But I didn't pay $1,000 for these brand new Chanel pair of shoes. Brogues. I think these are brogues, right? And I love it so much. It's just the back. Like, I mean, if you see in the front, it doesn't even look like a Chanel pair of shoes, but I like that. I really like that. But if you look at the back, it's giving luxe expensive. Is it? Anyway, that's it. All right, I'm excited. I could finally use it. Finally. So I have this special, I'd say rare, Chanel classic bag. Okay, you have a clue there. It's a classic bag. So a bit of a backstory. I got this, if I could remember it, I think it's probably June of this year. I found it on Gumtree, of all places, but it was, I just really decided not to go for it, but I feel like for this bag, I feel like it's not too bad of a price to pay, and it's brand new, hasn't been used, and the person what I got this from, he was so amazing. He knows, and he works for Hermes, so we had a long chat. So I just could not. But yeah, let's open her up. Oh my god, you guys. Right. Okay, I have a little, I don't know, I'm not exactly sure if this is going to really work for me because of what a classic Chanel bag is. So yeah, okay, let's over. Yep. Tissue paper. Got this, I don't know what this is. Yeah, oh, you got the thing. Don't know what, I just cannot, okay. It's got, it's got the receipt. It's really complete, everything is here. It's a 28 series bag, and I think by this time, Chanel still got that quality at least, and not a lot of issues as it's having right now, so wow. It was purchased in 2019, and this classic bag was 6,890 Australian dollars. Like, I just can tell you guys that this price have doubled now in a span of how many years? Crazy. Inflation. F it. F it. F inflation. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh. You guys. You guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I just can see it. And this bag has a similar bag that's been released this season. So, okay, whatever. Kenny, shut up. Ta-da. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys, oh my gosh, I'm having goosebumps. I just... Wow. My mouth is watering. You guys. This is her. This is my Chanel classic flap, double flap in denim. And in the ruthenium hardware, this is, I believe, the medium size. But you guys, oh my gosh, look at the back. Doesn't it look like something that's been released today? I saw that, I think it's also a denim Chanel, but it's screen printed with the diamond quilts. But this one, if I could just say, it's probably the bijou chain from the 2.55 that you can see. Yeah, so I just don't know what season this was from. Maybe, what, 71A, whatever. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh my gosh, you guys. She's stunning. She's stunning. I'm just really not sure because these classic flaps have a shorter chain, so I don't know if it's gonna work because it's quite short, but I bought it anyway. Isn't it? She's stunning. I feel like every Chanel collector needs to have a denim Chanel bag. And these denim Chanel bags cost so much money. I just don't know why. It's a fabric bag. Why is it asking for like $10,000 to $12,000? It doesn't match up. But here she is in all glory. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Let's try it on. Well, it's actually not bad, right? Isn't it? It's not bad at all. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna pull you back a bit. Okay. It's stunning, honey, it's stunning. Love it. That's it, you guys. Oh my god. Right, that's it. That's my video, you guys. I just don't know what to say. It's just a show and tell. I just don't want to ramble on and whatever, but it's just insanely good. It's so insanely good. It's like in a blue jean color. You guys, what do you think? What do you think? I love it so much. Cannot wait to wear it. And I'm just gonna be a little bit careful with this. It's a fabric bag, so I might spray my Colonial Carbon Pro water repellent spray on it. So yes, yes. Oh my gosh, she is stunning. Stunning, stunning. Okay. I'm satiated. I feel like I shouldn't be buying any more bags. I hope I would limit and just not continue buying bags. Biggest lie of the year. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for my video today, you guys. I'm eternally grateful for everything that I have. I just could not believe it sometimes that I'm able to live this life. I would never have thought to be able to do this and have these things. Yeah, at end of the day, these are just things, and yeah, I'm comfortable. My family is comfortable. That's the main important thing. And yeah, I'm so thankful. Like God, whoever you believe in, I'm eternally grateful for everything that I have, and like I'm healthy too, so yeah, before I cry, thank you again guys for your continued support and continue watching my videos. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much. If I can give you a hug and a kiss, I will. Love you guys so much. I'm so grateful that you're always here for me. So yeah, thank you again. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care. Bye.